Pleased to have you return to my channel, Coin Lady. Though no one can promise a crystal ball, it's important to recognize that some of us have a decent notion of what's to come in this rapidly developing industry based on the factors at play right now. Here in this video, I will make a prediction on the price. Those of you who have been subscribers for a while know that I am not actually doing this. Predictions of prices are not something I do. Two facts, nonetheless, have led me to conclude that this case is almost over. Plus, you shouldn't rely on my word alone. I think it's the perfect time to share my price prediction with you, because not only do most legal experts believe it, but the price of XRP has been very volatile recently. Before I share it with you, though, I want to bring your attention to a few things that happened today and explain how I arrived at this price target while constructing my thesis. What I want to know is, if you enjoy discussing Ripple and XRP, what are your thoughts on the matter? Submit a like button with an X-ray. Disseminate the movie. Share the truth about the digital revolution with people all across the globe. As a first step, El Salvador has proposed that Russia and El Salvador settle their trade disputes using Bitcoin. Russia was brought up yesterday since we've seen them. Previous discussions have included Ripple, pilots, and an examination of the XRPL. As an example, we are aware that approximately 1 month ago, they released a paper that still listed XRP as a potential settlement layer. In my opinion, this is a highly plausible scenario. We can tell you from personal experience that Ripple's contacted every single country on the planet, including the BRICS nations and countless others. But this is something I'm guessing about because I find it fascinating that Russia and other countries like El Salvador have been so vocal about cryptocurrency recently, especially today. Guys, in the absence of more certainty, the Federal Reserve has stated that it does not anticipate a suitable opportunity to reduce interest rates. I will say this regarding inflation, I just do not accept anything they say, even though they haven't dropped it in quite a while, and it is now steadily approaching 2%. I think the current administration will want to appear good before the election results come in so that they can get better results, so they will probably cut rates and send the market soaring a little bit more in the lead up to the election. Don't bother asking me, I'm only one of many who are wondering. This is not only conjectural either. What has transpired in previous election cycles formed the basis for this. I would also like to bring this to your attention, gentlemen. I thought August 14, 2024 was the date of the XRPL upgrade? Issue 2.1 to facilitate ongoing operation. Improve, iron out the kinks, and remember that yesterday we checked out FinaSpa, Brazil's biggest accelerator program, which will speed up blockchain innovation and IT projects like treasury management, asset tokens, tokenization, payments, loans, and so on. XRPL, pardon me. These enhancements are crucial for progress. While we examine this first, I'd like to bring up something else that someone else has released recently. Additionally, this individual consistently engages in technical analysis. For the past 6 years, XRP has been consolidating with a symmetrical triangle. Nonetheless, this individual currently has 70 to 70,000 followers on Twitter. If XRP goes over 90 cents, it might signal a bullish breakout. Now, obviously, we need to accomplish some goals in the 60s before moving on, but pay attention to his next objective. That's the intriguing part, he claims, or at least an article came out on this. As we can see, XRP has been in a long-term consolidation phase that has persisted for the last 6 years, according to crypto analyst Ali Martinez. Crypto is now trading in a narrow range, but if his predictions come true, a bullish breakout may be on the horizon very soon. Is getting poised to make a move that mimics 2017 cryptocurrency's 2018 surge. And for this to materialize, we must first reach 90 cents, a pleasant 40% gain, before proceeding. Out of here, dudes. In his opinion, XRP might reach $15 if this breakthrough occurs, marking a massive 200% increase. Additionally, whales are the largest holders of XRP. Am I correct? One of the reasons why a lot of people are taking a look at this is because, whales usually know before everyone else. These are currently piling up at an alarming rate. At the moment, there are 279,400 of these shark and whale addresses on the XRPL, which is a return to a 6-month peak. My personal price prediction is the last thing I want to share with you all. Once again, I am not a psychic, but I do study charts every day to try to predict the future. For the most part, I am a fundamental holder, thus I do consider basics. Allow me to share a brief anecdote with you. I was a participant in the Stock Mara Marathon Digital once. Needless to say, this is a channel dedicated to cryptocurrency. However, I will share with you that, many years ago, like 7 or 8 years ago, I used to be a day trader. After that, it was back into. By 2020, hadn't I been trading Mara stock? Currently, the biggest Bitcoin miner in the United States is Marathon Digital, isn't it? Indeed, they are. When it comes to North American Bitcoin miners, they're at the top. I remember it being 45 to 50 cents when I was trading it. If I had invested $5,000 in Mara stock and left it alone for a year, I would have seen a 150x return, with the price hitting $75 the next year, exactly in 2021, after a lot of speculating. So, if I had just let the money ride, I would be sitting on $1.5 million from that one play. I believe XRP will do something similar with all my being. Even though there's a lot of negativity, the world is full of joy. There will be a lot of people who say, "Man, I wish I woulda when this system starts working. How I wish I had." However, would you believe it? No way am I going to be one of those people. After all, charts don't lie, and real value will make its way into digital assets, and assets in general, when we examine this symmetrical triangle. Outside of the case's resolution, which, of course, will serve as a catalyst for the price, there are 5 primary factors that we must consider at this time in order to construct this price projection, gentlemen. However, demand is on the rise like never before. With so many people buying and selling XRP throughout the years, the fear of missing out, FOMO, will be strong, which will keep the price high, because almost everyone in the cryptocurrency ecosystem is familiar with XRP and its fundamentals. But as we wait for that major shift, we'll also see ODL guys live in the US. So, following this case, I think we'll be very close to seeing something that will help change prices, along with complete regulation and the market. XRP is the asset that connects all of these digital assets globally, so when liquidity flows into the stable coin, something I've mentioned before, it will support the price of XRP. And their customers, I'm referring to Ripple here, are searching for the stable coin, and I think we'll start using XRP to facilitate these shifts once we find it. There were many market speculators in 2017 and 2018, when the market was still in its infancy, but no institutions of the caliber of BlackRock, Fidelity, and the rest existed. Thus, XRP will be in the spotlight owing to its practicality and application cases as we witness the global adoption of this technology. Looking ahead, we may expect XRP to reach 35x by the end of next year, and that's without complete acceptance. In my opinion, the token's usage will drive that number far higher in the long run. In this case, though, I think a 35x is exceedingly cautious when discussing technical details and the like. With prices hovering around 63 cents, our current position puts us little over $22. About $22.05 times RP, I think. Anything is possible from where I sincerely believe we are heading presently. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.